Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and it is officially poppy season here in my central North Carolina garden. I just wanted to put together a quick, inspiring video so that you can see all the poppies that are in bloom as we close out the month of April. Well, everybody, I hope this no talking video will serve as weekend inspiration for you. I certainly look forward to sharing more updates as the cottage gardens continue to burst into bloom. And I do hope that you'll plan to attend the Spring Open Garden, which is scheduled for Saturday, May 11th from noon to 4 p.m. Remember, it's free, no registration, rain or shine, and we're going to have an epic native plant sale in addition to a really awesome book sale. I have gone through my library and I have decided to cull some of the books that I have already read. So there'll be great deals on awesome horticulture and garden inspired literature. I look forward to welcoming you all on Mother's Day weekend. Thanks so much for watching and happy gardening.